Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to show you a showcase boat that we have here. It's the Boston Wheeler 2018 42 Outrage. It does everything well. Point out a few features for you. If you're not fishing for the day, you've got a very large bench seat, very comfortable. And as you flip around the other side, we do have a summer kitchen with 2 refrigerators and a grill in it. And then when I can bring this down, I can pop up here. Flip this like this, flip this up. Now I've got a separate bench seat here that sits up with the captain especially, so I can put 6 people, adults, very comfortably, all sitting here, all in talking range. They all have air-conditioned vents all right in front of them. We've got an unbelievable helm area. We've got the triple 15-inch Raymarine touchscreens. You've got the active trim. You also have the gyro stabilizer on it. Fantastic. As we got a quick glimpse of the salon down below, the cabin is very, very spacious. It's set up for dining right now, but you can also use it as a very comfortable bed. It's got a full walk-in head. Beautiful. As we move forward, extremely nice entertaining area up here. Comfortable. You got armrests that go all the way across. You got 4 armrests that go across with drink holders. Very comfortable. This turns into a seat. This is a sun pad here. This is a tea table that'll come up for cocktails. So when this turns into a seat, you can have everybody sitting around. You can have 8 adults sitting around here comfortably. And you've got the stereo. The stereo sound system is a rocking sound system. It's got all the electronics. It's got night vision. The boat's got pretty much everything you're going to need to go anywhere that you want to go. It's going to do it all well. Fishing, fun, sunset, dinner. So wanted to give you a shot from the back of the boat showing the brand new engines from Mercury. They're 400 racing engines. You got 4 of them on there. All the power you're going to need to push this boat. It's a big boat. It's a heavy boat, but I'll tell you the 400s get it up and going in a hurry. And it's going to give you all the power you're going to need to shoot to the Keys, to shoot to the Bahamas, anywhere you're going to want to go. You've got plenty of power. So again, all around great boat. So if you have any questions on the boat, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.